Alright guys, I'm at Walmart and running into an issue. The fridge isn't, it's doing okay, but I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I got ice built up there and it's time to defrost. So I just grabbed a little cooler, some ice, throw this stuff in, and I'm going to turn this thing off. Throw some towels in here and let it do its thing. And then I'll turn it back on in a couple hours. So yeah, small space turns into a big mess real fast. But hoping once that's defrosted, it'll go back to overcooling like it was before. The thing worked really well. And I'm pretty sure it's just because of the ice buildup. Loving this, guys. Double flashing greens. That means my batteries are 100% full, and that is totally off of solar. Just loving it. Like 3:30. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of this guy. I think I'm gonna take him down and pack him up there in the front somewhere. If I need to use it, if I'm at a campground, I want to use it. It can be used just sitting on top of the burner here. It's got actual feet that sit on the bottom of it. The thing that sucks is the way it's put in here. The screws are not coming through, so I've got to separate. I got to get this panel out somehow to get these brackets off of the side here. Pain in the butt, but it'll make this seem like a lot more room. The other thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to replace this countertop. Maybe I'll replace both of the counters in here, and I'm going to make this come all the way out to about here. My feet don't need. My feet can be covered a little bit while I'm sleeping, and that'll give me another, 6 inches of counter, which that's huge in an RV to have that much more counter space. So yeah, see how this comes apart. So yeah, it looks like they got a screw ran in here to keep this from falling apart or from sliding out of the bracket. This is something somebody else did. Definitely not from the manufacturer. I have not used this coffee pot since I started using the Coachmen. So it's time for it to get out of my face. Alright, see that? 2 screws and it comes right out. Wow, does that open up a lot of room. That's a huge difference. See, getting these off is going to... Man, there's been like 600 different things mounted up here. Now the fun part. So, peas and carrots. Home style baked beans. Espresso vegetable soup, microwave soup, healthy choice, country vegetables, some leftover tortilla chips from something that's going in the garbage, some popcorn. How far does this panel go? This whole thing's one continuous panel. Yeah, that's a problem. same. Unless I can lift this up just enough to get them out of there. Oh, it's stapled. That shouldn't be too bad. Obviously somebody's pulled these staples out before. Yeah, this is going to take some time. Actually, it's not too bad. I can actually lift that up enough to get in there. They got this all reinforced in here too. I'm kind of shocked they actually went that far. Wiring for this light, which I'm going to take this light out of here and put one of the other ones I took down from the ceiling up here this way. Yeah. While I got this up, I can run the wiring for that camera back there too. Cool. Cool beans. Beautiful. I'll save all this in case I ever decide to put this back up there. Beautiful! Look at all that extra room. You can get in here and do dishes easier. I'm just going to shoot a couple screws, short screws, small screws in there. Works like a charm. Works like a charm. So that's a pretty big difference. Pretty big difference. I'm just going to vacuum this dust up, wood chips, and change this light out, which I'm not going to videotape that. It's power and a ground wire. Pretty simple. Have a good one, man.